Today I am reviewing Skytech Storm desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech Storm desktop PC is one of the most powerful and affordable pre-built gaming rigs available in 2025, designed to deliver a truly next-level gaming experience. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 750-700 processor with a base speed of 3.7 GHz and a turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz, this system gives you the raw power to handle modern AAA games and demanding creative workloads with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating content, the CPU provides a perfect balance of high performance and efficiency. On the graphics side, the Skytech Storm comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB GDDR4 GPU. This graphics card is a huge step up for gamers who want smooth gameplay at high settings. With 8GB of dedicated video memory, it handles 1080p and even some 1440p gaming at ultra settings with stunning detail and high frame rates. You can expect buttery smooth experiences in popular titles such as Call of Duty, Valorant, Elden Ring, Fortnite, and Battlefield 5. This rig even powers through competitive games with high refresh rates, giving you a noticeable advantage in fast-paced gaming. The system includes a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, which makes boot times, game load times, and file transfers incredibly fast. Compared to traditional hard drives, the NVMe SSD is up to 30 times faster, ensuring that the system feels quick and responsive from the moment you turn it on. For gamers, that means less waiting and more playing. It also means smoother multitasking and a more efficient workflow if you're also using the system for video editing or 3D rendering. On the memory side, the Skytech Storm is equipped with 16GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz. This gives the PC enough power for modern gaming, while also leaving room for multitasking without lag. The heat spreader helps keep temperatures stable, which means the system stays efficient during intense gaming sessions. The case itself is designed with high airflow in mind, featuring ARGB fans and a front mesh panel for improved cooling. Not only does this help maintain performance, but it also gives the PC a visually appealing gaming aesthetic. For connectivity, the Skytech Storm delivers a solid range of options. It includes multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort outputs, and Ethernet connectivity, along with Wi-Fi 8.0 2.11 AC for fast wireless networking. This makes it easy to connect all your peripherals and accessories without hassle. You also get a free gaming keyboard and mouse bundled with the system, so you can jump right into gaming out of the box. The Skytech Storm isn't just about raw power, it's built to deliver value and convenience. It comes fully assembled, with Windows 11 Home pre-installed and backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. This means you get not only performance but also peace of mind knowing you're covered if something goes wrong. Whether you're a competitive gamer looking for ultra settings in your favorite games, a content creator needing fast rendering speeds, or simply someone who wants a high-performance PC without the hassle of building your own, the Skytech Storm offers a great balance of performance, style, and value. It handles everything from AAA titles to esports games with ease, and its powerful hardware ensures it will stay relevant for years to come. In short, the Skytech Storm is more than just a gaming desktop. It's a powerhouse for gaming and productivity. It delivers high performance, fast storage, excellent cooling, and a great set of features at a competitive price. For anyone serious about gaming or creative work, this PC is a strong contender that deserves your attention.